people, this is Claudia and happy Mother's Day. If this is your first time viewing one of my videos and you enjoy the content, please click on that like button, subscribe, and share. Today's video is a Q&A on what is it like for me as a mother, as I prepare for you a quick and easy no baking strawberry cake with whipped cream. Before I begin the Q&A and the no baking dessert, I would like to share with you my menu for today. I have barbecue ribs, barbecue chicken, yellow rice and crab, green beans, cabbage with corned beef hash, macaroni and cheese, potato salad, cornbread, and yams. And remember, if you have any questions about any one of these dishes, please leave me a comment in the comment box below. Here we are. We have our half a sheet cake that you can purchase from your local grocery store. Your utensils, just knives, spoons, and a spatula. Your glazed strawberry for the middle, along with your strawberries and whipped cream. A mother of 3, 25, 21, and 19. I have been married for 25 years. I enjoy motherhood. It's a beautiful thing to be a mother. I am a retiree. I worked for 27 years in the Department of Corrections. I worked midnight solely to raise the children where someone was always at home. My husband worked during the day, I worked during the night. As a mother is to have patience and to be understanding, because sometimes as parents we tend to put ourselves into the equation, not knowing it's not about us, it's about the child. How did I balance work, marriage, and motherhood? I intentionally made sure, because all of our children went to different schools, that I allotted them each 20 minutes alone time with myself before I go and pick up the next child. Favorite age for my children, I would have to say, would be right now. Simply because they have come into their own. They are full of spirit, they're loving, they're caring, and most of all, they put God first. my marriage, I made sure that I spent quality time with my husband on my 2 days off because I was on midnight. And also once a month, I would take an extra day just for have a date night. And there we have it, our quick and easy no baking strawberry cake with whipped cream.